Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to adjust quality on BiliBili. Adjusting the video quality on BiliBili is a straightforward process, so here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open a web browser and sign in to bilibili.tv account. Once you're signed into the main homepage of BiliBili, go ahead and select a content you would like to watch. Simply go to the content and click on it to start playing it. Now once you've started playing the content, look for the quality settings button at the bottom of the screen. Once you start playing the content, simply go ahead and look for the option where it shows the quality. It will be mentioned as some of the numbers over here with P initial in it. Once you go ahead and mouse over to that, it will present you with a list of other quality options. For greatest quality, go ahead and pick the HD version as shown on the display. But remember that to get the highest quality, you will need to be premium subscriber for BiliBili. Select your plans from the options and then click on subscribe now. Go ahead and proceed with the payment, and then after you follow through the prompts, you will be able to subscribe to premium, which will allow you to get the best quality for your video playback. Make sure to select the quality that best suits your need based on factors like internet speed and desired clarity, and enjoy the video. So that is how you will be able to adjust quality on BiliBili. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.